So by far, the biggest complaint about Xbox controllers is the fact that they take batteries and need batteries. Now this video will show you how to use Xbox One and Xbox Series X/S controllers without batteries. Now the big problem, obviously a lot of people don't like that you need batteries because you have to constantly replace them unless you pay for rechargeable ones, whereas the PS4, PS5 controllers, you don't need batteries as it has an internal battery. But in the long run, the Xbox controllers are better because eventually in the PS4, PS5 controllers, the batteries will wear out and will barely last, whereas with these you can just replace them. But say you don't want to use the batteries, I'm going to show you how to use these controllers without batteries. I'm going to remove the batteries from this controller. Now I have an Xbox One controller, so for these controllers you need a micro USB cable. This connector is used to charge most old Android phones and other stuff like Bluetooth speakers and all that sort of stuff. But if you have one of the newer controllers, like an Xbox Series X or S controllers, which do work on the Xbox Ones, they don't have the micro USB port. They have USB-C, so you need a USB-C cable instead. Now this is used on... Now USB-C is used on all newer Android phones, iPads, MacBooks, and newer product and newer Bluetooth speakers, stuff like that will also use USB-C. So yeah, same thing but just different cables, depend on which one you have. So you get your cable, plug it into your Xbox, and then you want to plug the other end into your controller, and it should just boot up and start working. If you have a long cable, then it's probably not a problem. But the thing is, obviously, even if you do have a long cable, you probably don't want a cable running straight from your Xbox to your controller. It doesn't actually have to be plugged straight into the Xbox. So if I go over here, I've got USBs in the wall. You can just plug it into there and then power on the controller. So yeah, even though this is plugged in with a cable, it's still wirelessly, all this cable is doing is giving it power. It is still wirelessly connecting to the Xbox. If you really wanted to, you don't even have to wall power it. You could literally just plug in a power bank and this would work. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys found it helpful and I hope you come back for the next video. Bye.